Okay, in this video, we're going to show that sinh square x is equal to this. And notice that this is very similar to the sine square, right? The traditional sine function. We have the power reduction formula, and we also have the power reduction formula for the hyperbolic sine square, like that. But anyway, here we go. As always, this right here means parentheses with sinh x inside, and then raised to a second power. And of course, inside here, we can just use e to the x minus e to the negative x over 2 to help us out right here for the sinh x. Okay, now we just have to expand it. In the denominator here, we have 2 squared, which is 4. On the top, we have a binomial, so we have to do this square. E to the x square, we get e to the 2x. And we have to minus 2 times this and that, e to the x, e to the negative x. And lastly, we have to add this square, which is e to the negative 2x. So this is pretty much it. And now check this out. We know that e to the x times e to the negative x, it's e to the 0th power, which is just 1. So this is just minus 2, right? Oh no, this is just minus 2. And I will just kind of pair things up a little bit. We are going to first write negative 2 over 4, like this. And secondly, we are going to write, let's just break down the fractions. We have the second part, which is this, e to the 2x, and this is plus e to the negative 2x, and then over 4, like that. And now, as we can see, this is just negative 1/2. Well, we have e to the 2x plus e to the negative 2x. That should remind you of cos of 2x, but when you have the sinh or the cos, the denominator should be 2, right? We have 4. It's okay, because we can look at this as plus 1/2 times this part, which is, let me just write down, e to the 2x plus e to the negative 2x over 2. 2 times 2, of course, is 4. And now, all in all, we get this right here being negative 1/2 plus this is 1/2. This right here is just cos with the input of 2x. So I will just write this down, cos of 2x. And that's it. And you guys can leave a comment down below and let me know. Do I have to put on a plus c? Right? Just leave a comment down below. I'm not going to put it. I don't know yet. Anyway, you guys tell me. Anyway, that's it.